Let's try to do the same trick with the city and the zip code. Let's try to separate the right part of the text. And yes, there is a function called right. It works pretty much the same as left. So we have to enter the number of characters we are looking for. So let's again look for our 20, and you see we get the 20 rightmost characters. Now we cannot actually do it the same way as we did before, because now we face two challenges. The first one is find always starts counting from left, and we have now to count from right, so we have to do some kind of arithmetics. We have to subtract your finding from find from the length. And luckily there is a function which gives us the length of this text. Now you see we have this 44. So if you combine this find with the length with the find, then we find the rightmost comma. The second point is, if we do the find, we have started looking for the first comma from position 1, but now we have to find the second comma. So we have to somewhere start searching for the second comma in the middle, and we'll see that it might lead to some problems in here. But let's go for right first. That's our text, and we now enter the length of the text. And from the length we would like to subtract this find. So again we enter our find text, which is our comma. Now we have to enter the text in which we are searching for, and now important, we enter, for example, position 15, somewhere in the middle of the text. And what you can see is I'll find my zip code. Again, I have to do a small correction. I have to subtract one more character, because I do not want to have this leading empty space. If I now move down, you see it works quite fine, but for some cities we have this Bahnhofstraße included, simply because the name in here has been quite short. So what I can do, has been quite long. So what I can do is, of course, I can try to maybe go for a higher value in here. And if I move down now, in this case everything works fine. But this is not really safe, because either the first name or could be very long, or at the end the city could be very short. So it might be that we do not find one value which fits all. To really be safe, you would first have to separate the complete right part starting from the street, and from that result you again have to extract the right part with zip code and city. But this you can do by yourself.